Hi. Are there times when you feel absolutely stuck? When you have no clue what is the next immediate step I must take? There are issues at hand, there are challenges, there are pains, there are areas where results are not the way you want them to be, but you have no clarity in terms of what should I do. Or you may know what action needs to be taken, but you cannot really gather yourself to get into action, to really take that action. Well, if that resonates with you, if you're able to relate with what I'm saying, then here's what I have to say. So, what typically happens in such scenarios is that there is this whole self talk that is happening inside. And it typically looks like I am not able to sort this out, I am stuck, I am in a deep mess. What do I do about it? Oh, I feel so nervous. Will I ever be able to get out of it? Am I really good enough? Do I have it in me? Will my team really do what needs to be done? What if we are not able to do this? All such kinds of things, similar kind of things will start to happen. That's the talk which is going on between you and yourself, so between the two of you. That's what your mind is doing. So that negative self-talk pulls you down. It is an endless downward spiral that you get into. So you will see that you start at one point and then it goes on and on. Oh, will I be able to do it? Oh, I'm not good enough. Oh, the team is not working. What will I do? Will I be able to deliver this? And it will just go on and on. And you feel stuck endlessly. Now, what is important here is that this spiral will not get sorted out. You will not be able to come out of it unless you do what? Unless you take action. And that's the whole point. You're not being able to take action because you're in this spiral, right? So what do? What is really, really important is to first understand, have it very clear for yourself that unless you take an action, nothing is really going to change. So very important to take action. It could be a very, very small action, the first step, but it has to be there. Now, for you to really take that action, to get some clarity on what action should I take, maybe you need to declutter. Okay, and how do you declutter? You really put down everything. That's one of the ways that I'm suggesting. You need to put down everything on paper. You write down, you start writing down, because there is so much that's going on here that you get lost. So you start writing down what is going on, what is happening, why do I feel stuck, where is the real issue, what are the challenges, what are the different factors, where did it all start. Maybe all those relevant things, and everything needs to come down on paper. And you will see, it's amazing, but you will see that as you write down, as you start to pour out everything on paper, the clutter, it'll start to declutter. You will start to get little clarity. You may start to get little clarity in terms of what can I really do. And what will happen even before that is, you will see that it's not as big as you think it is. The issue at hand is not as big as you think it is. Okay, so you will really get to see the magnitude of, or the intensity of, the issue at hand. Now, once you've written down, you may get slight clarity. The other way you may want to try is maybe go and share with somebody, your mentor, your somebody, or your spouse, somebody who you feel comfortable with, you feel connected with, and you may want to go and share and talk it out. That will give you clarity. But the idea is, doing this, putting it down on paper or going and sharing with somebody, is also an action. Please understand. And we, more often than not, undermine the importance of writing down or sharing with somebody. My request is, do not do that. Every time you feel there is an issue at hand and you feel stuck, you need to take action. Action, action, action. That's it. An action could be going and sharing, writing down. Okay. And then you figure out what needs to be done. You go step by step. But unless you move ahead, unless you put that first foot forward, things will not change. You will not get out of the mess. You may endlessly go on thinking, I'm not this, I'm not that, I'm stuck here, this is not working, and it will not stop. So you need to break that pattern. And by doing this, you kind of break that pattern. You start to think in the direction of a solution, in the direction of action. And that is where things change, things turn around. Okay. So please go ahead, take action. It is very, very critical. Action is the only way to really cause any kind of result, nothing else. Okay. And our thoughts, our brains are so powerful, they will just completely grip you into the negative self-talk. So learn to get aware of that. Just identify, oh, I'm getting into that, oh, this is what is here. And do not kill yourself, beat yourself for all of that that's going on. That's what we end up doing. Rather, if you're not able to clear that mess, just go ahead, seek help. But take an action. Okay? So that's what I wanted to share with all of you. It's very, very important. Go ahead, take action, cause miracles, cause results. Thank you.